Today, let's talk about creatine. Creatine is a natural substance that helps muscles produce energy. The idea is that creatine supplements will help give you temporary strength without having to spend hours in the gym. But are there any side effects? Is it worth it? What does science say about this topic? Stay on this video to find out the answers to these questions and more. It's no secret that succeeding in sports, one's career, or even life generally requires having access to the right tools. The process of taking creatine is quite simple. Some people purchase it, while others mix it themselves. Before taking any nutritional supplements, you should consult a doctor because certain supplements might interact with those you are taking. Over-the-counter painkillers, etc. People have long used creatine to help boost mental performance, muscle mass and strength, rate of recovery, and more. It's not just limited to humans either. It's also found in animals and plants thanks to the process of evolution, where each organism has been found to naturally take advantage of this substance for various reasons. Why it's a good idea? There are a number of reasons why taking creatine might be a good idea. One of the main ones is its relationship with certain proteins called creatine kinase and phosphocreatine. These proteins, although bound together, have unique roles within the body. The phosphocreatine is a phosphate package that gives energy to cells in the body, and the creatine kinase plays a role by helping move energy into these cells. There have been studies done where efforts have been made to put people into situations where they are unable to get enough creatine in their diets, or they're not taking it properly, which can inhibit their ability to perform well due to a lack of energy and strength. This could lead to the development of certain diseases, such as muscular dystrophy and cardiomyopathy. The benefits. Taking creatine can do a number of things for your body. It's not just limited to enhancing your overall strength and muscle mass, but it can help with recovery as well. The process of recovery takes place during training. When you train and exercise, the body uses up a significant amount of energy that is stored in the form of glycogen or sugar. There are times when you might want to increase or decrease this energy intake, depending on how much you use it and how hard you train. It has also been shown that there is a positive relationship between creatine consumption and the amount of lean muscle mass you gain. By consuming more creatine, this can have a positive impact on your muscles in terms of their size and functionality. The reason for this is because the body breaks down creatine into chemicals called creatinine and phosphocreatine, which are then used to help build new cells in the body. The drawback. Taking creatine might not always be good for your health or well-being, but it's definitely something worth considering if you're looking to increase your muscle mass or enhance performance. The main downside to taking creatine comes from its side effects such as stomach upset and dehydration. Creatine can increase your muscle mass and strength, but if you're not used to taking an all-natural supplement, and if you've experienced negative side effects before, then maybe it's best for you to look for a synthetic form of creatine. Countless studies have shown that creatine is safe to take if used in the right dosages. Reports of negative side effects are minimal compared to the positive health benefits of using creatine. Creatine has been proven to reduce oxidative stress, decrease fatigue, and increase muscle strength and endurance. How long should you take creatine? Some people take creatine indefinitely in order to experience its benefits on a long-term basis. However, you should also consider discontinuing use after you've seen good results. This supplement is not meant to be used long-term. We recommend that you take your supplement for no longer than 12 weeks before taking a break of at least 1 week. During this time, your body will be able to recover and build the muscle mass it has lost if muscle mass was the goal of taking creatine. With all those explanations, I hope you'll understand better how creatine works. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.